Oh, yes, girl. I have heard of these other houses. La Beja, Magnifique, Allure, Joyce Leslie, Strawberries. But everybody knows, honey, it's over for Miss Popcorn. This Australian motherfucker talk about, do I like eucalyptus? I said, look here, Crocodile Dundee, eucalyptus for $15. You know, being a part of the downtown fashion scene and the ballroom scene as a top-level voguer, I meet celebrities all the time, and I'm really not affected by it. For instance, last week I met Evelyn Champagne King, and I was really non-reactive. Yes, actually, I have had sex with younger guys, like 18, 19 years old, because you don't have to be all conversational, and, like, they have a lot of energy, and they have less men to compare you to, and everything in their body is exactly what it should be. Not that I'm old, like, because I don't consider 27 old. I mean, like, I've been with some old motherfuckers. Like, I was with this ancient guy, girl. He was so old, I call his cock a museum piece, okay? He was ancient.